Last day of work before Chinese New Year break, we would agree that this year Chinese New Year will be a little bit different as compared to last year. Typically at this point of time, people are scrambling to buy Chinese New Year gifts, buying Chinese New Year goodies, and probably book for the reunion dinner. Chinatown will be really packed, so I'm pretty curious to see how Chinatown will be this year. I decided to visit Chinatown earlier today and see how would Chinatown look like during this current pandemic period. And I was really amazed to see that it's pretty much almost normal. I mean, beside the fact that people are wearing masks and we see a lot of signages mentioning about social distancing, it's pretty much just like a normal Chinese New Year period. A lot of people actually shopping the shops, although I did see some of the shops actually closed, but most of the shops are still really busy. And of course, I still see a long queue of people queuing for the famous bak kwa. And I had the opportunities to take a couple of photos of Chinatown and the beautiful looking Chinese New Year decorations, just like always. So yes, this year Chinese New Year will be a little bit different. We may not be able to do a big gatherings like last time, and there are some regulations in terms of visitings, so you may not be able to see all your relatives this period of time except via Zoom. But I do believe there are a lot of things that we can be really grateful for here in Singapore. The fact that our life is pretty much returning to normalcy, and at the same time we can still do smaller celebrations, hanging out outside to have a nice dinner with the closest family members. In case you are wondering, yes, I'm not a Chinese, but my wife is, therefore I do actually somewhat celebrate, although it's only in the form of dinner with the closest relatives. So with that, on behalf of Creative All, I would like to say Happy Chinese New Year 2021, wishing you a bullish New Year of the Ox. 恭喜发财!